All right, with the dark color of this car, I want to do a video outside today versus the showroom. This is a 1954 Belair with Powerglide transmission. This car was locally owned by a good customer of ours. We buy and sell a lot of stuff with. He just loves different things. He's retired. He was driving this car, so it is very dependably drivable. The chrome and the stainless and all the glass on this car is very thoroughly intact. It's kind of a root beer color. You can see the sun reflecting off of it there. Got the little eyebrows on the headlights. It is a 6-cylinder car with the automatic Powerglide. He added the curb feelers recently in those fake side pipes just to kind of make it hot roddy and not so plain. This car is not a show car. You can see a little scratch right there on the back, but it is a very driver-friendly car. It will need tires replaced to be safe. It does have Michelins on it, and they do have age cracking or sun cracking. The interior is very solid and original. Let's see up under the seat there. Same in the back. Very strange shift pattern. If you've never seen one of these on the old Powerglides, reverses all the way at the end. That'll throw you for a loop for sure. Headliner's in great shape. I would have to believe that's been replaced. Not sure. Not from this era, so I don't know what was in these cars, but appears to be in really good shape. Should have done some videos while I was up on the truck earlier. We moved it on one of our tow trucks just because we got multiple vehicles from this guy, but undercarriage is very decent. It's got the old school spotlight, which a lot of police cars had, but they were added to a lot of trucks over the years that we've had. Tire condition tread-wise is great, but again, for safety, definitely going to have to do something with those. Under the hood's the good old inline 6-cylinder. Has these big intakes, which normally are missing, which ran up to the front to bring in fresh air from the front of the car. Car starts right up like it's supposed to. We don't know of any mechanical restoration work that's been done or not been done, but the car starts just like it should with no issues. There's a body tag that might help somebody decode this a little bit better if you're looking for that. Most of the times cars like this in these pocketed areas really had a terrible rust issue. You can see the inner fenders are clean. I think that's the voltage regulator right there for the ignition. It's replaced. We are going to change the oil and put it up on the rack, and we can do some more pictures and do a safety check over, etc. She is all there. A beautiful, maybe not the most desirable color. We just had one of these in blue and white, which was like a turquoise, which was a beautiful car as well, but the body lines are good. It does have a new fuel tank. If you want anything else about this car, feel free. The 54 that we sold actually went to California. Customer received that a few weeks ago. Was very happy with it. We worked out the shipping and got it arranged for him and assisted with that. Anything we can do, any additional pictures, additional videos, whatever you'd like to see, just let us know. DavisAutoSales.com. This is just one of basically 300 vehicles we've got in stock. We love our classics, antiques, and hot rods. New building across the road. If you follow us, you've seen some videos of that. That's coming along real nicely. And a great selection of bucket trucks. And of course, tow trucks and wreckers, but no telling what you'll see around here. That one's getting ready to head out to a customer out of Ohio, if I remember correctly. A little bit of everything. DavisAutoSales.com. Check the website for updates every single day.